So the UPS guy just dropped this off today at the front door. I'd like to thank them, and I'd like to thank Summit Racing for providing these for me. They weren't cheap, but they're tuned full-length headers. And let's get to the unboxing. Packing slip for a 2005 to 16 Charger Challenger, 6.4 liter. As you can see in the background, I kind of got some work going on, so check out those videos once I post them. Looks like somebody from UPS met their demise, probably landed on their foot, probably didn't feel good. So let's get to it. Wire harness extensions, new exhaust bolts. Nice. I was debating on whether or not I had to buy these. It didn't say they came with the headers, but I'm glad that they came. What else do we got here? These aren't them. Yeah, right. Here's the one for the right side. Look at those ports. One O2 sensor bung on the right side. Breakage there. That's alright though. This thing should hold up to it. Here's the left side with one bung in the left side. Nice. Nice, nice. 3-inch collector. That's why I went with these, was because they got a slip-on 3-inch collector. Says hooker right there. Awesome. Can't wait to get these put in. Get them all set up. No bent, no dents, no dings. Look good. Alright. Be sure to watch my next video on putting these in. I removed the heads off my 392 Challenger. I'm going to slide these in and see if I can't do the exhaust with the factory setup. Thank you guys for watching.